Today in the livestock market, cattle was firm. I think futures did show a positive tone to start the month of November, which is really helpful. But we're still in that $4 channel from 128 to 132. Perhaps that the open interest at 130 is just keeping the market, right in that zone, shall I say. The upside momentum does remain stalled, and the CVOL is at 14.6%. We're really looking for other news to kind of move the needle or to kind of get us out of this range. But for now, we're continuing to go sideways. Now, the feeders were a little bit lower. I don't know if that's going to be the tell. There's just no change in the beef supply, and the futures just seems to be racing to breach that low that was set October 4th at 153.1. We're really very close to it right now. The futures, the demand is expected to increase, but it's not impacting the market right now. I think that's just going to be a little bit something, ahead. But momentum and selling pressure is continuing to happen, and I think that's what's that's what's really putting some pressure on the market. Now, the open interest is still at the 160 level for feeders, but we're getting further away. So maybe that option open interest is having a lesser effect at this point. Now, with the hogs, we were slightly higher today. The futures were holding that recent rally that we had over on Thursday and Friday of last week. The futures did start lower, so we were kind of wondering if we were going to have a pullback and kind of give back everything that we had on Friday, but it didn't happen. The market actually recovered, so it might show that there is some strength now in the market. There hasn't been really a new high, but I think a lot of traders are breathing a little bit of a sigh of relief. The higher start for November is a positive on the horizon. Now, all the deferreds were also higher, except for the May contract, which was just ever so slightly lower. But overall, it's possible that we've finally made the turn somewhat. Now, the CVOL for the lean hog market is at 32%, which is still pretty strong. So I think there's still a lot of interest in the hog side of the entire livestock complex.